Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today Chava's going to be showing you how to make this cool tri-color, 4-color buttercream cake. If you'd like to learn how to make this with this technique, please keep on watching.
Like a tri-color cake with like you know how the ones that have like one line that's blue, one line that's pink, and the other one's purple, and the other one's yellow. We'll show you like that. But it's gonna be like a unicorn, but we're not gonna show you the whole unicorn cake. We're just gonna show you how to make the ombre. So for that, we're gonna need all this shit right here.
So you'll need your buttercream, your dyes,
your spatulas,
which the plates are from Target. You'll get them for $1. The spatulas from Walmart for like $4 for a pack of 3, and then the Americolor food coloring.
Food coloring is from the Americolor. All these except for this one. This is Chef Master, which I don't know why I got this one, but I probably needed it last minute and I got it at Cakewalk.
Yeah, you guys just make sure with your food coloring, because this has happened before, that is not oil based, right?
Yeah, because I mean, I never use oil based on this, but if you use oil based, I mean if you use these, like water based on chocolate, it's gonna just fucking make your chocolate thick and you're not gonna be able to work with it. But if you use oil based on chocolate, you could mix
that's
it, you know?
irrelevant. We're not talking about chocolate, we're talking about the buttercream.
That's what I'm saying. Look, and then you're gonna need these tips too. Buy 4 of them at least.
And what is the number on the tip?
The tip, this one's a 8 PT.
Just a fat tip.
Yeah. See, I have 4 of them. And then you get 4 bags as well. 4 piping bags, big ass ones. You can get the small ones.
These are the 21 inches. They're more convenient for Chava to work with and everything.
So you pretty much just cut them. Boom. Once you've done it for a while, you don't even have to like. You already know where to cut. Doesn't know where to cut?
Cuts it all the way to the top.
Alright, so that's that. And then put the tips in. Just put the tip in.
That's what she said.
Like that. See that? And just do the same with all the 4 of them.
Sorry about the AC, guys. The sound should be better now.
Alright, so we're just adding the colors, like I was telling you guys. You don't have to add too much. And then, if you notice, for this one, I have a lot, so that you could like put the top. I think I already told you guys. That. So
because with that one, he's covering the top of the cake as well. Yes. It's not just gonna be one little line. And yeah.
All right, so now we're gonna mix them. So these bowls aren't really convenient because you don't have nowhere to hold them, you know. So it's pretty hard unless you have like wet hands and you could get a good grip on them. But right now, it's like, you see it? I can't hold it that good.
Yeah. No wonder it was so hard for me to mix it last time.
Yeah, it's hard. But
I never thought of that.
It's like so like slippery at the bottom. Alright, so that's that. See that? Just make sure it's really, like it's mixed real good, you know? My fucking arm hurts so bad, dude. It hurts a lot.
Also, somebody mentioned that Chava should get like a mixer to do this, but we have a mixer, guys.
We have 2 actually.
Yeah, we have 3 actually.
Yeah.
We have 2 KitchenAids and we have like, yeah.
Stop. Vete para allá. Córrele.
We have 2 KitchenAids and we have a big like commercial mixer that our brother-in-law got us. Well, my brother-in-law got us.
Yeah, my carnal. This is my carnal.
Thank you, Oscar, for that. He's so sweet. But I mean, I don't know. Why don't you use them to mix the color? I've never even heard of that, huh?
Well, I mean, it's just you don't want to get it dirty and then change it again, wash it, you know, keep washing it.
And then this is super thick, like.
All right, so now we're just gonna put them in the bag.
But also we would like to mention that we hit 10,000 subscribers on Instagram last week. And we're already at like, oh yeah, 10,000 followers on Instagram, and we're already like at 10.3 thousand followers on Instagram, guys. So if you guys don't follow us there, go ahead and follow us now, Serranoscakes, and I'll insert some pictures from our photo shoot that we had.
Yes, heck yeah.
And then I'll go ahead and tag the photographer. She was awesome, guys.
Yeah, she got it down, man.
I know 10,000 doesn't sound like a lot, but if you're in this industry, you know how hard it is to build a clientele and build a reputation for yourself and your business. And we've worked very hard the last 7 years to do that.
Yeah, it takes time, you know?
No grip.
Seriously, dude. Let's start. So first one, we're gonna do this, the blue. And you don't want to give it like a thick ass coat. Just it already looks cool, huh?
Yeah. Like people could even order like that and it would look nice, no?
Yeah, hell yeah.
But you guys, when he does the ombre effect,
it looks nice. Watch, you'll see.
Chava's beast.
Alright, so I'm gonna use this one first.
Okay.
Here we go. So check it out. So you want to go little by little, alright? Check it out. Yeah, stop.
We wait to film so late at night. It's 2 in the morning and our kids are always awake. There's not a time in the day when
We have a break.
from any of, like, one or the other.
Seriously.
Just wait, guys. Oh, there it is. It's coming along. You'll see how it's like starting to blend in.
And this is just the first coat, so you gotta give it another coat. You'll see. So Mia was banging like the tables with these fucking lollipops that I bought her earlier. Worst mistake ever.
Seriously, I was about to say the same exact thing.
Never again, bro.
And it's like, she's never bad, but it's like when they know that you're doing something and you need them to be quiet, that's when they're the worst. Like,
Pero bueno, no sirve de la chingada, ¿no?
I guess because they see us with the setup and like, I don't know, dude.
They want to come out or something, man. Well, there it is. That's the first coat. We're gonna put it in the freezer for like 10 minutes, and then we're gonna give it a second coat. And I'm gonna show you guys how to do the second coat. It's kind of like it's tricky, but not too hard. Check it out.
Nice.
It already looks cool though.
Yeah.
Alright, so now we're gonna give it the second coat. And for the second coat, like I said, try to make a little bit extra for every color. See how I have a little bit extra on each one?
Mm-hmm.
And just try and have some extra in the bag. So I'll just give it the second coat. And it's gonna be super thin, watch. Check it out. Like really, really thin. Just enough to like, oh shit, cover, you got me? It's super thin.
Like you can kind of see right there how thin it is, guys. I mean,
Casi nada, you know?
yeah.
That's just so you can have it like solid. It could be super solid, super what do you call it? Smooth. That's pretty much the second coat. It's gonna be real smooth.
You have to be really precise too, though. Look at that. He's like staying over the exact line. I would have already been like, ooh.
Yeah, you probably won't get it on the first try like a badass, but it takes time, you know?
Practice makes perfect.
This is probably like the 5th, 6th time I've done this. And then bang. So you do the same thing. You just with this one. I mean, if you're in a hurry, you could have just left it on the first coat. But since I have time and I want to make it look kind of perfect.
Oh, well, your camera girl doesn't have time, homie. Just kidding. You should have fucking left. Just kidding. I'm kidding.
Alright, so we're gonna give it another otra pasada con este. See how it's all super thin, like I mean not super straight.
Yeah.
So give it another pasadita. Hey there. You okay?
¿Cómo te llamas?
Yo,
Yo.
¿Cómo te llamas?
yo,
No. ¿Cómo
Mía.
te llamas?
yo,
Mía.
mía,
¿Cuántos años tienes?
no,
No, tienes 2.
no,
Sí.
Uno.
Tienes 2.
no, uno,
Mira, tienes 2 años.
no,
Sí.
uno,
Evo tiene 1. Tú tienes 2.
no,
Tú ya estás bien grande.
no, Ivo,
¿Quién es mi bebé?
yo,
¿A quién me chingo?
mía,
Mia. No, Mia, stop. Sorry, guys. Giving you a glimpse of. This is the behind the scenes
Yeah.
of having a business from.
Behind the scenes. Alright, hold on. You almost in here? Babe. That's it right there. And then all you gotta do is just clean the board. Always clean the board so it looks nice. Anyway.
Almost drop your cake so that it could. Just kidding.
Yeah, serio.
So this is it, guys. There you go, guys. There's your tricolor cake with 4 colors. We really hope you guys enjoyed this video.
And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and comment for sure.
Let us know about the lighting, and yeah, I hope this was helpful. It's beautiful, beautiful technique.
If you make it and you post it on Instagram, make sure you tag us. And,
At Serranoscakes.
for sure.
We'll put it somewhere here on the screen.
Definitely. Thank you guys and enjoy.
Bye.